Chef Royal Cooking or Chef Royal Cooking. Them man they cook from them a youth. No joking. I cook from your heart straight off foreign. Let's go. Chef Royal.
Yes, guys, welcome back to another episode on Chef Royal TV. Blessed Sunday to you guys, wherever it is that you are. Yeah, guys, I hope that all is well with you as well and your family. Today, guys, we're gonna get straight into it. Today, guys, we're gonna be cooking some fish, guys. Come, cameraman. Look at this. So we got some just two fish because the kids they don't really like fish with bones in it. So just me and my wife really. So here we got some parrot fish, guys. So we got two lovely parrot fish, guys, that are scaled. I've descaled them, guys. I got them as well, and I also put some, as you can see, some cuts in it because I'm gonna pan fry them, guys. Yeah. So we're gonna pan fry these, guys, and we're gonna do some steamed vegetables today. So we got some green beans that we're gonna steam it down with some broccoli, some cabbage, guys. Yeah, and we're gonna make some gravy as well, guys, on the side. Yeah, so with some sweet pepper, some onion, tomato, scallion, and garlic, and and so on. But yeah, these all I'm gonna do with these, guys, just some dry seasoning, guys. So I got some all-purpose in here, guys. All-purpose seasoning, some fish seasoning, a little bit of Maggi, a bit of black pepper in here as well, guys. Some onion powder, garlic powder, and and a bit of grounded pimento as well. Yeah, to make it nice, guys. So literally, I'm just gonna I've dried them off already. So just gonna season them, guys, with just the dry seasoning, and then we're just gonna pan fry them, guys. All right, stay tuned. So here we are, guys. So we're seasoning them, guys. Yeah, we don't want to over season because we don't want it to be salty as well, guys. Yeah, season them on both sides and even in the cavity as well. Yeah, so a little bit. That's it, guys. Nice, nice, and even the cuts as well. There you go, even in the belly. Right, we're gonna rub that up in a minute, but I'm gonna, in the meantime, just gonna quickly do the other side and just rub them all up in one go, guys. Yeah, so everything, all the seasoning and everything go in. Yeah, that's it. Looking good, cameraman. Yeah, looking good. That's it. Right, ready now, guys. Ready. Got seasoning here as well. Don't be afraid to get your hands in there, guys. Yeah, there it is. Lovely. That's it. One done. Next one. Yeah, and these fish, guys, these if you don't really, if it's the first time you ever hear about parrotfish, these are tropical fish, guys. So these are it's eaten. A lot of people eat them, guys, but you tend to find them around the coral reefs and so on as well. Beautiful fishes, guys. You can see them by the color of them as well. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Look at even around the mouth as well. See the colors. Wow. Yeah. Got even the tail. Lovely. Yes, guys. Gonna be a nice dinner today, guys. It's been a while since I've had fried fish, so we're looking forward for this one, guys. Yeah, stay tuned and you'll see when I'm frying them off in a pot. All right. Yes, guys. So now, guys, we're ready to fry off our fish, guys. We're gonna pan fry them. Look, guys. So in the pot here, cameraman, come in, zoom in. We've got some garlic in here, guys, a piece of scotch bonnet pepper in here, and a bit of thyme as well, guys. So You know, the flavoring, the more flavor, the better. Yeah? So with the flavor in it, the oil, guys, so that when the fish, you know, the fish fries in it, guys, it'll be nice and lovely, yeah? So here we go, guys. There we go, 1, 2. Yes, guys, looking lovely. Stay tuned, guys, and you see what's happening, guys. You see when I'm turning it as well, very shortly. Also, I forgot, guys, in this pot here, guys, I got some peas as well, because I'm cooking some rice and peas as well, guys. So this is gonna some coconut rice and peas. So this is gonna go with a meal as well, guys. Yeah. So I've got some coconut milk in here, some peas, some thyme, some garlic, a bit of all-purpose seasoning in there as well, guys, and also some pimento as well, guys, and a little bit of butter as well, guys. Yeah. This has been cooking for, I would say, probably about an hour and a half, guys. So we just need to stir now, guys. Stir up, and yeah, be ready, guys, to put the coconut, not coconut cream, sorry, guys, to put the rice in. Yes. All right, guys, stay tuned. So, guys, there we go. This is the first turn, guys. Yeah, well brown and crispy. Zoom in, cameraman, show them there. You know what's happening. There we go, guys. Looking good. Looking good. So, guys, so right now we're making our gravy, guys. Yeah, our homemade gravy. Yeah, from scratch. So we've got some onions going in, guys, with some sweet pepper, guys, as well going in, and also we're gonna put some thyme, some spring onions or scallions as they call it, going in, guys, and we got a nice ripe plum tomato as well, that's going in, guys, and our season mix as well. We're gonna go in there to flavor it, guys. Yeah, we're gonna let that put down a bit of water, and then we're gonna thicken it, guys. Yeah, bit of thyme, guys, going in. Got that, guys. Absolutely lovely, guys. I'm gonna let this cook down now. Yeah, about 20 minutes or so, and then yeah, it's gonna get thick, guys. You're gonna see the end product. It's gonna be beautiful, nice thick gravy, guys. Yeah. Yes, guys. So this is our gravy. After 20 minutes, 25 minutes, guys. This is the consistency of it, guys. Look at this, nice and thick, guys. The onions or sweet pepper, or thyme, or garlic, or scallions, guys, or green seasoning here, guys, as well. Yeah, and a bit of fish seasoning as well, because remember it's good on the fish. Yeah, got that, guys. Lovely, nice, nice, nice. Yes, guys. So we're at the stage now, guys. We're gonna steam our vegetables, guys. So we've got on this plate here, just a bit of sweet pepper, garlic, and a bit of scallion or spring onion, guys. And we just got a little bit of oil in the pot. Yeah. Just to flavor it up, guys. And the oil in here, guys, the olive oil, yeah? Olive oil, so it's very good for you. There you go. Yes, guys, so here it is now, guys. So we're gonna start off with the cabbage. Okay, guys. Looking good, guys, and smelling good. Yeah. And you don't want to eat too high either, otherwise all the tomato is gonna burn, yeah? There you go, guys. Lovely. And we don't want it to be soggy either, we just want it to be nice and crunchy. In with our beans as well, guys. Yeah. Run the beans. There you go, guys. Lovely, lovely. And then after we're just gonna put our broccoli on top. I'm gonna mix in this as well, guys. So this is gonna go lovely, guys, with our fried parrot fish, guys. Yeah. And coconut rice and peas. Looking good. Cameraman, looking good. There you go, guys. So bits of broccoli now going in. Then all I'm going to do is add just a little bit of salt over it. I don't want to complicate it, guys. Just want it to be simple, yeah? Nice and simple, guys. Just a bit of sea salt that we've got going on there. Just going to go on top. There you go. You see? That's it. That's it right there, guys. A tiny bit of soy sauce. I like when I do my vegetable like this, guys, when I steam it. Now just a bit of soy sauce going over it, guys. Yeah. That's it, guys. Just like that, guys. And all we're gonna do, guys, put the lid on. 10 minutes maximum. Ready. Low and slow, guys. Yeah? Stay tuned. And guys, while the vegetable is being steamed, I thought I might show you my rice and peas, guys. Lovely, guys. Coconut rice and peas, guys, with yeah, with all the seasoning in there, guys. Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, garlic, pimento, you know what I mean? Look at it, guys. Nice and fluffy, guys. Yeah? Yes, guys. Basmati coconut rice, guys. Looking good. Alright? Stay tuned. So guys, so this is the finished product, guys. Look at it. Absolutely beautiful. Just put in a little bit of gravy. It's homemade gravy, guys. Over the rice. Look at it, guys. Absolutely lovely. We saying, cameraman, look good? Yes, man. So guys, here it is, guys, as promised. Pan fried parrot fish, guys. Yes, well seasoned, guys. Seasoned to the bone. Look at it, guys. It's decorated, but you know, it's beautiful, guys. Honestly, nice. And then we got coconut rice and peas cooked down in all the spices, guys. We got some avocado on the side, guys. And then we got our steamed veggies, guys. So we got our green beans, We got our corn on the cob, guys, as well, that's been steamed, and our broccoli, guys, yeah, and our homemade gravy as well, guys. Yes, guys. So yeah, this is the most important part of it all, guys, the taste. Yeah, but I know, guys, honestly, absolutely smell lovely, guys. Yes, guys. The rice, fluffy and nice, guys, honestly. The grains are not sticking together. Beautiful. You can taste the coconut, the seasoning, the gravy is on point, guys, honestly. Really well seasoned as well. Guys, the broccoli, really crunchy and nice, guys. And the green beans, guys. Sweet corn now. Can you hear that, cameraman? The crunch? Wow. Absolutely nice, guys. The best till last. Save the best till last, guys. This pan fried fish, guys. Oh my god. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Honestly. Yes, guys. Guys, nice, simple, clean Sunday dinner, guys. Yeah? Fish, rice, steamed veggies, guys. Simple as that. Yeah? Guys, have a blessed Sunday afternoon, wherever you are, guys. And remember to like, share, subscribe, guys. Yes? Because, guys, honestly, I would like to come on here every week and do videos for you guys. But yeah, just remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys, to keep it going. Yes? Have a blessed day, blessed morning, blessed afternoon, wherever you are and which part of the world you're watching. And thanks for watching as well. Yes? All the best. We out.
Royal do his thing. Chef Royal doing some cooking. Chef Royal cooking is like a finger licking. Watch and please remember to like, share, and subscribe.